teacher Clarice, and today we are going to discuss a topic: online safety, security, ethics, and etiquette. This video tutorial is based on your learning activity sheet in Empowerment Technology, Quarter 1, Week 2. So, let's get started! Our learning target for this session is to apply online safety, security, ethics, and etiquette standards and practice in the use of ICTs as it would relate to their specific professional tracks. To test your knowledge about our topic, let's have a series of questions. So, the first question is, what information do you think is okay to give out on the internet? Letter A, name. Letter B, phone number. Letter C, address. Letter D, none of them. I will give you 5 seconds to answer. What do you think is the answer? Great! The correct answer is D, none of them. Let's move on to the next question. Your password should be made up using personal information so that it is easier for you to remember. True or false? I will give you 5 seconds to answer. What do you think is the answer? Very good. The answer is false. Always remember that the internet is truly a powerful tool. It can be used to promote business, it can be used to gain new friends, or it can be used to stay in touch with the old ones. Also, the internet is called information superhighway. It means anyone can have an access to superhighway. Anyone can put an information or anyone can grab an information from it. Always remember that the internet is one of the most dangerous places, especially if you don't know what you're doing with. I have here tips for you to how to stay safe when browsing the internet. First and foremost, be mindful of what you share and what site you share it to. Do not just accept terms and conditions. Read it. Check out the policy privacy page of the website and learn how the website manages the information you share. Know the security features of social networking site you use. Do not share your password to anyone. Again, do not share to anyone. Avoid logging into public Wi-Fi or public networks. Never post anything about your future vacation. Avoid visiting untrusted websites. Install and update an antivirus software to your computer. And do not reply or click links from the suspicious emails. We have this thing called netiquette. It is a combination of network and etiquette, so it is a network etiquette. And to make it simple, it is just the do's and don'ts when communicating online. I have here for you samples of netiquette. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Well, this one is a golden rule in life, but it seems like it is also a golden rule when communicating online. No flaming. So what do we mean by flaming? Flaming is a personal insult communicated through the internet. So flaming and bashing are way too similar to each other. Do not type in all caps. In internet world, it is rude when you type in all caps. Typing in all caps means you are yelling. Well, it is not necessary unless you are actually yelling. Do not talk to people you don't know. More likely, do not arrange a meeting with someone you don't know. Use proper grammar and spelling. Spelling errors and grammatical mistakes may also change the meaning of your message, so it might result to misinformation. Now, let's proceed to the type of internet threats. The first kind of internet threat is the malware. Malware stands for malicious software, and there are 5 types of malware, namely virus, worm, trojan, spyware, and adware. Virus is a malicious program designed to replicate itself and transfer from one computer to another. However, worm is a malicious program that transfers from one computer to another by any type of means. Trojan is a malicious program that is disguised as a useful program, but once downloaded or installed, leave your PC unprotected and allows hacker to get your information. Spyware is a program that runs in the background without you knowing it. And adware is a program designed to send advertisements, mostly pop-ups. The second type of internet threat is the spam. Spam is unwanted email mostly from bots or advertisers, and it can be used to send malwares. We have here an example of spams. Email messages you did not ask for, from senders you don't know. Unsolicited commercial email messages sent in bulk, often using a purchase or stolen mailing list that includes your address. Counterfeit messages that looks like they were sent by reliable resources and attempt to trick you into supplying your personal information. Misleading messages from people you don't know whose email has been hacked. Phishing. Its goal is to acquire personal information like password or credit card credentials. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack often used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker, masquerading as a trusted entity, dupes a victim into opening an email or instant message, and then the recipient is tricked into clicking malicious link, which can lead to installation of the malware. An attack can have devastating results. For individuals, for example, these include unauthorized purchases, the stealing of funds, or identity theft. Before we proceed to our enrichment activities, let's have a recap. Tips to stay safe when browsing the internet. Be mindful of what you share online. Do not just accept terms and conditions. Check out the privacy policy page of the website. Know the security features of the social networking site you use. Do not share your password. Avoid logging into public Wi-Fi. Never post anything about your future vacation. Avoid visiting untrusted websites. Install and update antivirus software on your computer. Do not reply or click links from suspicious emails. What is netiquette? It is a combination of network and etiquette. It is simply do's and don'ts when communicating online. What are the examples of netiquettes? Treat others the way you want to be treated. No flaming. Do not type in all caps. Don't talk to people you don't know. Use proper grammar and spelling. What are the internet threats? We have malware, spam, and phishing. What are the types of malware? It is the virus, worm, trojan, spyware, and adware. At this point, get your Quarter 1 Week 2 activity sheet and turn it to page 2. We have here general directions that says, do not write anything on the activity. For your enrichment activity 1, write yes if you agree in the statement and write no if you disagree. For your enrichment activity 2, rearrange the jumbled letters to form a correct word. For your wrap-up activity, answer the following briefly. What is internet safety? What are the internet threats? What are the types of malware? What is intellectual property? I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions or clarifications regarding to our topic, feel free to contact your subject teacher through call, text, or post your questions in our official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.